wow, look at the rat that got into these pretzels.
I'm just having a quick little something, so I have something on my stomach because...
Excuse me. He said you didn't start the video correctly. You didn't come correct.
Oh, hey, welcome to what we ate today.
Vegan. All right, yes. You're gonna get your breakfast. Just have a seat, my friend. Have a seat. All right.
So I'm just having a handful of pretzels so that...
You're not gonna have any peanut butter with that?
No, because I'm gonna have peanut butter in my oatmeal later.
Oh, okay. Well.
I just want something on my stomach when I do the job.
Yeah, so you don't puke.
Yeah, I was gonna have a banana, but they're a little squishy right now, so
okay.
Those need to be frozen or banana bread or something.
Yeah, ooh, banana bread.
Right.
All right, so I start off my day like I usually do with 2 little volcano cups of coffee.
I love that mug.
I love that mug too. It's from Target last year, I guess. It was from like the fancy section. I have a thing for coffee mugs. Don't ask. It's a sickness. I have about like 300 mugs. Well, 200. It's a lot. I've given away a lot over the years. All right, so I've got some Silk oatmeal creamer in here and an oatmeal cookie. It's really good. I don't think I'd buy it again. This is the first time I bought it. It's just too sweet. Or if I did buy it again, I would like pour half of it into another container and like water it down with some oat milk. Each one, you know. It's even sweet for my husband, and he put sugar in his coffee. He put xylitol in his coffee. And he's like, ooh, that's too sweet. And if it's too sweet for him, it's really too sweet. Because he likes it sweet. Alright, so that's that. This is my second little molten lava of the day. Over here, I dug in my bag of pancakes that I had left over from breakfast this weekend. And I got 2 nice pancakes out of that. And did you see that? There was a secret little lump of peanut butter in there. So I heated these up and then I put some peanut butter in there to get all melty and runny and lovely and amazing. And then instead of syrup, I have some fruit blend that I had made into hot fruit the day we had the pancakes. So I think it's like a 3-berry blend. Like strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, and cherries. The cherry is not a berry. So it's 3 berries and a cherry. So I put that on top of this beautiful strawberry yogurt. So this is a multi-level, delight for the tongue. Oh, somebody's getting eaten over there. He said, give me the damn pretzels. It's my breakfast too. Yeah. Okay. Did you drink anything? Just water? She had a breakfast seltzer. She really likes seltzer.
Yes, I know it's early, but whatever.
She really hates water.
No, I like water now.
Okay.
But I really like seltzer.
She really likes seltzer. We try and never buy soda, and we've been very successful. For how many years now have we not had soda? It's been a while.
A lot.
Yeah, I don't even get it when I go out anymore. Like I gave up soda and then I would get like one at a restaurant, whatever. Now I don't even do that anymore. I just either have water or seltzer or coffee. And I probably almost never get coffee out because number one, I don't want to pay more than everybody else because I want non-dairy milk. And a lot of places don't even have an option for me anymore because if they have almond milk, I can't drink that. Keep it down over there. So that's breakfast for me. It looks like breakfast.
Yes, I am making this to go.
So, you put it in there. Why don't you just take it in the bowl?
I don't know. That seems weird. I guess I could. Anyway, I got some, what is this, rolled oats?
Yeah.
And a little bit of peanut butter.
Mmm.
I use this Almond Breeze Creamy almond cashew blend.
Mm-hmm.
And then I also like to put blueberries on top.
Nice.
Right? I just love the peanut butter in the oatmeal.
I'm not there yet. Maybe when the weather gets a little bit cooler, I might switch over to oatmeal, but something about it, just that gluiness, I just don't like.
No, it's not gluey if you make it right, but this has been my thing for like months now. and
Yeah.
I've really been digging it.
All right. And it all started out on a this is what we ate.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Crazy.
All right, enjoy.
Thank you.
Snack time. Oh my God, can you believe it? We just went shopping and I need to make room in the freezer, so I had to kill this Haagen-Dazs chocolate, salted, fudge truffle, non-dairy ice cream. There's just a little bit left in there, but I wanted to do a full disclosure. I'm gonna snack on this. Maybe I'll put a few peanuts in there. Oh, somebody's out of water. They're destroying the dishes. Is that you? I gotta fill up their water before they destroy that. So I just wanted to show you that, in full disclosure, I'm having a little ice cream right now. It's lunchtime.
Yay!
We've got quite a spread here.
Yes, this is beautiful.
All right, so I gotta dial this back a little bit and tell you a story. We are obsessed, first of all, with Broadway. We are also obsessed with Mel Brooks in general. Anything that he's done, we're there, we're for it, we support. So we saw a while back on
Years and years and years ago.
was it years and years ago? On a documentary that I don't think it was that many years ago.
It was years ago.
He told the story about how he was growing up. He used to go play in the streets, and he had like what, like a 4th-floor walk-up or something like that.
I'm not sure.
And his mom used to throw his lunch down in a paper bag, and his lunch consisted of, and I quote, a Kaiser roll with butter, onion, and tomato. So we have decided that we are calling that the Mel.
Yes.
So that's what we're having today. I'm
You
having
are, I'm not.
I'm having a vegan Mel. Well, I also swapped out the butter in this case for the vegan mayo.
And you're putting a chicken patty on it.
I'm putting a corn chicken patty on it. Well, that's what I was saying, a Mel with chicken.
Okay.
Or Mel with not chicken. I had a Mel the other day for breakfast, a real one with vegan butter, tomato, but I didn't have the onion. So I guess it wasn't that real. But that's what we're having today. We're also having leftovers from yesterday, the beautiful Nooch mac and cheese.
Oh, which is so good.
That is my absolute favoriteest recipe, is the Nooch cheese. We call it yellow sauce.
Yeah.
For Sean's benefit. So, you know, to not have to explain, oh, this is not cheese, this is cheese. It's yellow sauce. What else you having?
Well, okay, so I'm having my patty with just the tomato.
Well, you're
and
special
then-
and better than everyone
No,
else.
I wanted a little more mac and cheese. So
Okay, yeah, I'm not having
sacrifice
as much
the
mac and
bun for
cheese.
Mac and cheese. And then my salad, I'm eating this sweet kale salad kit, but I'm not using the dressing that came with this because it has like
Right.
egg, whatever in it.
There's 7 superfoods in there, just so you know. Did you know that?
I did. I read the bag. And it
What
has-
are they?
I don't know. And it has these pepitos and sunflower seeds from a different one and like craisins.
Yeah, craisins.
Oh, so good. And the dressing I'm using is the sweet Vidalia onion.
I'm going to be using a balsamic, also a Ken's. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's not a Ken's. It's a Newman. Newman's. Newman. Yeah, Paul Newman. So I'm going to put together my beautiful Mel with chicken. Sean's having one as well. You gotta love it. He knows his stuff. And I just cannot get enough of him. He is a national treasure.
Yes.
Another time I'll tell you my story about how Gene Wilder came and visited me the night before he passed away. Or the night he passed away. That
Was
is
it the night?
the night he passed away.
Wow.
So weird. Still shook. Still shook. Can't believe it. Okay.
That was in a dream, by the way.
In a dream, yeah. He didn't physically come
let's
visit
clarify
me.
that.
His spirit came to visit me. And, well, I might as well just tell it now. And unfortunately, I said, I'll be right with you. What the hell have I done? So he waited and he waited for me. And then I was like, okay, I'm ready. And he's like, well, I have to go. I don't have any more time.
Oh no!
And I was like, no, wait. And then I wake up the next morning and I find out that he had passed away.
Oh,
I was just like, are you kidding me right now?
love Gene Wilder.
Gene Wilder is my all-time favorite, #1 actor of all time.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Up
there.
for me. Definitely up there.
#1. I can say that with confidence. #1, big influence on my life. All right, let's eat.
Snack time.
Oh,
Look at how cute these veggie chips are.
cute.
They have little ghosts and bats because it's almost spooky time.
Los Spookies.
Yeah, shout out to Los Spookies. If you guys have not watched that on HBO,
Fred Armisen, you freak. We love you.
it is. He didn't like create that.
No, he
just a
didn't.
producer.
Well, he's in it.
Yeah, no, the creators were the guy with the blue hair,
Yeah,
and who also has a comedy special on HBO, which I want to watch.
looks really freaky.
Yeah, and I think Tati is the other.
Oh, okay.
The character's so
Okay,
funny.
Tati.
So, I've got my
Go away, Prince Charming. You're not a real prince.
so funny veggie chips, and I'm having some classic hummus with it.
Well, I'm having a Skinny Pop original because I couldn't find the kettle one.
Oh,
Bummer. Enjoy. I might have 1 or 2 of these foragers too.
yeah, those are so good. If Dad will let us.
If I could pry it out of his kung fu grip. Alright, it's dinner time. We got a dinner flyover here. We're having red lentil chili, but I made it a little bit different. I didn't.
Well,
Go
I was just
ahead.
gonna say, first things first, we have the bed of rice.
Basmati rice
Yep.
from the goodness of the rice cooker.
This was prepared in the Instant Pot.
Yes. Let's
Take us on a tour.
take you on a journey. All right. So it's red lentils, of course.
Mm-hmm.
It's Vidalia onion, green peppers, and Ichiban
Oh, eggplant.
eggplant from the garden. Yep.
Nice.
We've also got some white mushrooms, like an S-ton of them.
Not from the garden.
No, we've got Bouillon. Yeah, I love that brand.
Very nice.
A little bit of harissa.
Tomatoes?
Yes, chopped tomatoes with basil, oregano, and something else. Onion, I guess. And
Sounds good.
yeah, thank you. Some additional basil and some water. Oh, and a can of coconut milk to make it creamy
So
and
you're gonna say a
delicious.
can of whoop ass.
No, and then I had 2 leftover field roast sausages, and I cut those up and really fine and put it in there as well.
And we'll top it off with
Some lemon juice. And I think I'm gonna have a little bit of accidentally vegan buffalo wing sauce on mine.
Whoa.
I know, right? Pulling out all the stops tonight. It's a real hodgepodge. Love it. It's one of my favorite meals.
Yeah.
It's very satisfying. It's very filling.
It's so humid though, and to eat hot food.
I thought it was supposed to be cooler tonight. That's why I made this, but apparently they got it wrong.
It'll still be delicious.
I'm sure it will.
Last meal of the day, do 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 do. Last meal of the day, do 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 do. So we're having a little dessert. We're having some apple pie from. It's not
Sam's
homemade.
Club.
It's from Sam's Club, and we're just putting a little scoop.
Dollop.
Yeah, our Aldi just got the oat milk ice cream.
I think it's probably very limited time.
Yeah, so this is the vanilla cookie chip flavor. They had 3 flavors. That one, chocolate, and cold brew coffee.
Coffee,
Mhm.
ice cream, coffee, oat milk ice cream.
So this is beautiful. Beautiful.
Yes. Would you like to try it on camera?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's see.
By the way,
Sliding on the spoon.
this is complete crap for you. It's not health food. And
No.
by the way, this is just what we ate today. In no way should you eat the way that we eat unless you want to. Like, don't think it's like healthy. It's just what we ate today as vegans.
That is delicious.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right.
It reminds me of Breyers.
Oh yeah, because I can kind of see some vanilla bean flakes
Yeah.
flecks in there as
That
well.
good old
so-
classic Breyers. Mmm. All right.
Too bad they're not going to have it permanently.
I know.
I wish they
You never
would.
know.
I
Maybe
wish
they'll be
they
really
would.
successful and they'll be like, wow, we need this.
I don't know. I don't see a lot of people in Aldi spending $2.99 for a pint of ice cream. It's it's cheap as it
I
goes
would.
in there. So, I know you would. Aldi, give us what we want. Anyway, that was what we ate today, for better or for worse.
I gotta say, it was a delicious day.
It was a delicious day. This was surprisingly really, really good.
Why is that a surprise?
Because I didn't put sweet potatoes in it, and I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, and I only had 2 sausages, and it was a 2 wiener pot, and we need more than 2 wieners.
Okay, so we're gonna go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let us know if you've had any of the things that we had today. And until next time, I was gonna say tomorrow.
Yeah.
Until next time, much love.